What's going on, guys? Ben here for Player.net, and today taking a look at the monster Corsair H100i GTX. Now this is their newest 240mm all-in-one CPU cooler, which features some updated SP120 fans. It has an improved cold plate and pump for better efficiency. And of course, the 240mm radiator offers more surface area for superior cooling performance, as the box tells me. We've got real big hopes for this, so before we get to the testing part of the review, let's just have a closer look at what's inside the box. Getting the H100i GTX out of the box, we of course have our warranty guide and installation instructions. There's also the H100 GTX itself and the two 120 SP fans. There's also a number of mounting hardware, so users will be able to mount this cooler on a number of Intel and AMD sockets, and we can also see an extra USB cable that will allow users to use the Link software that can be downloaded separately, and it allows you to go ahead and control your cooler and some other things, but we'll take a look more at that during the review. The radiator on the H100i GTX is all black, and even on the sides it's a sort of matte black, but there's also a gray bar that features the Corsair logo off to one side. This is the same side where the tubes that will connect to the pump and water block are connected to the radiator to allow the water to pass through. The tubes are a bit unique in the fact that they're almost kind of braided, and I personally have not seen anything like this. It's a nice touch. I'm all for it. I love it. I think it looks quite nice, and it's just nice to see companies doing different things. Taking a look at the pump itself, and it features the same design we saw on the side of the radiator. Has the matte black kind of look to it with the silver area with the Corsair logo on it. One of the things I also like about this pump in a block area is, even looking from the top, you can see it's quite a bit wider, but it's also a bit thinner than normal, which is quite nice. As you can see here, we also have the USB input, so we can go ahead and get this connected to our motherboard and take full advantage of the Link software. Over onto the side here, we have our power cable for the pump, and we also have the power cable for two of the fans if we want to go ahead and get those both on and installed and up and running. Corsair has also gone the extra mile and pre-installed a nice blob of thermal paste onto the bottom of the cooler, so users really can just take this out of the box and get right to it. Now that is pretty much it for the quick closer look. I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy installed and set up and run some tests on it, so please check back in the near future for the review. And as always, thank you guys for watching.